Hope you're having a good time. Welcome to Weche Tuke Alliance Sport Shows on this 16th day of October. My name is Derek Omondi and
my name is Randy Woodini, aka The One.
Yeah. How was your weekend?
My weekend was kulikuwa tu hapo hivyo, si mbaya si mzuri, kwa tu hapo.
Yeah, yangu pia ilikuwa for poa. Not much on the sporting activities today.
Yeah.
Over the weekend, I mean. And let's go on what we have today for the
So first things first, Harambee Starlets. Last time I said Stars, I'm sorry for that, but Harambee Starlets
Yep.
played Angola and they dominated the whole game, winning 4-0, which is Harambee Starlets under 20. Yeah, they dominated the game and won it 4-0. What do you think about the game?
Yeah, I think the Rising Stars, our young ladies have done a fantastic job. They have really shown the capabilities. They can dominate the game, even on their foreign land. Remember, the Angola ladies also tried. They did well, but we were the much better side compared to the Angolan side. These girls, well, if they will be well mentored, they will be kept together, and the compatibility will just be there. They will play a very fantastic game, and I think no side can come. They can come against them. Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a very interesting. It's gonna be very interesting to see them play live as well if they get a chance to play at Nyayo Stadium.
Yeah. And our ladies, they are scheduled to face Cameroon on the third round qualifiers of the World Cup. Do you think we have a chance?
I haven't seen the Cameroon girls playing, so yes, we have a chance.
Yeah, and I think our ladies normally fly our flags high, and I think we really have a good chance to play in the FIFA World Cup for the first time. And you mean business?
Yeah.
You mean business this time? Yeah.
On to other news.
Yeah.
We have still on Kenyan football.
Yeah.
We have the Harambee Stars will face the 2018 World Cup hosts.
Okay.
At 7 p.m. East African time. So if you'll be able, so just watch that game if you're gonna be able to.
Yeah. Kumbuka kwamba timu yetu ya taifa leo tunapatana na Urusi masaa ya saa 1 jioni. So game itakuwa pale Titanic Sport Complex in Turkey. What are your prediction according to the game?
It's gonna be a very interesting game to watch, and also for us neutral, it's gonna be a very interesting one to watch. Of course we want Kenya to win, but it's gonna be a very tough one. But yeah, I'll put my hopes on Kenya to win.
The Kenyans sahi wamekuwa ranked number 109 on the FIFA ranking. Russia is number 39. Unafikiria kuna chance ya Kenya ku win big in the game, ama kuna ile chance ya going to dominate the game?
Yes, I think Kenya will win that game. Because also Brazil had an international friendly. Brazil are quite high, and the team they played are low. But the team were able to get a draw versus Brazil. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. But Kenya, I'm behind you. Let's go.
Pengine, what are your prediction?
And nasema 2-1 Kenya.
2-1 Kenya.
2-1 Kenya.
Who will score?
Richard Odada, maybe with an assist. And I think Michael Olunga will get both the goals.
Okay, we wish our national team the best. Leo lazima nze tukae pale to watch game, to support timu yetu ya taifa. And I think we will have the best outcome of it. Yeah. Moving forward, I want us also to look at the National Super League, which went down last weekend.
You can just tell us.
Yeah, I will tell you on how it went when ilienda, the fixtures that went on from Saturday to yesterday.
For sure.
Yeah. So jana tulikuwa na game moja kati ya Rainbow and Migori Youth. Migori Youth iliwin your game 1-0. We also had Kajiado facing Gusii, and Kajiado won 3-1. Coastal Heroes and Mathare United, the game went in favor of Coastal Heroes, 3-1. And we also had Nairobi United and Silibwet. The game went into a draw of 1-1. Tulikuwa na game ingine ya Mulembe United, formerly known as Viga United. Yeah. They lost 1-0 on the hands of Mombasa Elites. In other quick results, I'll just say Kisumu All Stars won 2-1 against Kibera. And Mara Sugar pia walishinda 5-0 against Viga Bullets. So labda, I don't know, which team are you supporting in the National Super League?
I like this team called Rainbow. Is it called Rainbow FC?
Yeah, Rainbow.
Yeah, I quite like Rainbow FC. I've seen bits of them playing, and yeah, they're very good. And I think they might get promoted to the FKPL. What do you think?
Yeah, Rainbow plays well, but me personally, I support Kisumu All Stars. Currently, we are number 3 in the National Super League table. And I think it's our time to come back to the top tier league.
Yeah, it's gonna be a very interesting match.
So before tutoke hapo, nitakuwa napea a quick table of the National Super League venye inakaa saa hizi. We have Mara Sugar topping the table after 5 games with 13 points. Same with the Naivas, 13 points. And thirdly, Kisumu All Stars with 10 points after 5 games. Yeah, so that's the National Super League. A quick review on the National Super League on how it went down over the weekend. Before we get out of Kenya, before we go to the international,
about the top tier league in Kenya, which is the FKF Premier League. You can just tell us the fixtures.
I'm going to tell you the fixtures on. Remember, league inarudi weekend. The international break is over, so ligi zetu zinarudi. So nitawaambia the fixtures of the Kenya FKF Premier League. On Saturday, 21st October, we'll have Sofapaka facing Police at Machako Stadium. What do you think about the game?
I think it's gonna be. I think Sofapaka might want to stun a brilliant result out of the Blues, but I feel like Police will take the day, that one.
Yeah, Sofapaka even have not won a game, and they also chased away their coach. So I personally will give Sofapaka a win for the first time.
Okay.
In another fixture, we have Bidco facing Murang'a Seal. What do you think about the game? The game will be played at Kasarani Annex.
That's gonna be a very good game. You can just repeat the teams again.
Bidco United facing Murang'a Seal. Murang'a Seal are number 3 in the table.
That one I'll have to give it to Murang'a Seals. I'll have to give it to Murang'a Seals.
Personally, I think the game it ended draw. In fixture nyingine tuko na KCB facing Ulinzi Stars. The game will be played at Nyayo Stadium.
That one is gonna be interesting. But what number Ulinzi actually in the table?
Ulinzi, I think they're number 15 there. They just won 1 game.
Yeah. I'll give Ulinzi the win in that match. I'll give Ulinzi the win versus KCB.
Yeah, okay. For the rest of the fixtures, I'll just say the highlights on when they will be played. Like, to concentrate on the fixtures on Friday.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for our Friday episode.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah. On Sunday, we will have Tusker facing Gor Mahia. At Nyayo Stadium.
I think that one is gonna be a very interesting one.
Yeah. We release a must.
What do you think is gonna win?
I'll go for Tusker.
I'll go for the other way.
You go for Gor Mahia.
Yes, I'll go for Gor Mahia.
We also have Bandari facing FC Leopards the same day, but FC Leopards watakuwa Mombasa, Baraki Stadium. Shabana watahost Nairobi City Stars, my team. The game will be played at Raila Odinga Stadium in Homa Bay. And lastly, we will have K-Sharks versus Moroni Youth at Kasarani Annex. And the very last game, Nzoia Sugar facing Kakamega Homeboys.
That's a very good games. If you get the chance to go to the stadium or watch through your television, please do, as we want to support the FKF Premier League.
Yeah, actually. So moving on swiftly, tutaenda the international games that happened over the weekend. Tutakuwa naopea the Euro 2024 fixtures, the results and the teams zenye zimequalify already. We'll start by the results on what happened yesterday.
And plus yesterday as well.
Actually. So yesterday we had various games. Tulikuwa na Poland versus Moldova, game ilisha draw ya 1-1. We also had Romania and Andorra, game ilisha in the favor of Romania 4-0. Turkey ilipiga Latvia 4-0 as well.
And actually, with that win, that means Turkey have qualified for the Euro 2024
squad. Okay. We also had Wales and Croatia.
Another team to have qualified as well. As their win put them to second in their group table. So
on Sunday as well, we had Czech Republic facing Faroe Islands. Czech won 1-0. Switzerland drew 3-3 with Belarus. A very late comeback from the host. And Norway versus Spain. Spain won 1-0.
Which also means
Spain have qualified.
So for the list we have the teams have already said, which are Turkey, Spain and Wales have already qualified. Joining them will be Scotland, Germany, Belgium, France and Portugal. Who do you think is gonna have this cup in the closet?
I will always go with Portugal. I've supported Portugal for quite some time. And if looking at the Portugal squad, normally, apart from Cristiano Ronaldo, those young boys, the average of 22 years to 25, those boys, their football is fantastic. They play nice football, and I think they have a chance against other nations. What do you think?
That's a very good prediction, good analysis on the Portugal team, but I personally think the England team, if they get their cards right, they have the team to beat any national team, because they have quality players. And if they just get their heads together and get to clicking, I think England will be a major problem in the Euro 2024.
Quite a surprise. Croatia may miss the 2024 World Cup qualifications if they doesn't upgrade on their table. In that table, we have Turkey qualified.
Turkey qualified
with 16 points after 7 games played.
That is a very stunning performance from the Turkey.
No one expected
them to qualify as easily as they have actually.
So we have Croatia and Wales tying 10 points after 6 games. We only need one team from the same group. What are you going for?
Between Croatia and
Wales.
I think Croatia have the better squad, but Wales, despite not having quality players as Croatia have, I feel like Wales will prevail in that group, because Wales, despite not having big names, the players that they have, including the Fulham player Harry Wilson, that boy is a star, and he has a very bright future. So I think Wales will prevail.
What do you think is the problem of Croatia? They have lost 2 consecutive games.
I think Croatia, it's due to their players. They look, most of them are quite old. And no offense to them, but most of the players are quite old, and
the likes of Luka Modric.
And they're very fatigued. So if they get some fresh legs in some positions, then there'll be a problem as well.
Before we finish, I'll give you some of the fixtures zenye zinapigwa leo usiku. Remember, Euro bado zinaendelea, so we have some games tonight. I'll just give you a quick review. We have Belgium versus Sweden at 9:45 today. We also have Portugal versus Bosnia and at 9:45 as well. Another quick game. We also have Netherlands facing Greece, 9:45 as well. And another key game is Iceland versus Lestania. Yeah. So these games are going down tonight at 9:45. If you have time, you can maybe take one watch. We had Sudan against our neighbors Tanzania. The game went into a draw of 1-1. What do you think about our neighbors?
I didn't know Tanzania actually quite good at football. I didn't know Tanzania quite good at football, but they're actually surprising me.
Yeah.
And they can push to far heights.
Yeah. I believe Tanzania have it's their time actually. They can. This is the time for Tanzania to shine. Actually, in AFCON, I'm giving them a upper hand to maybe not even lift to move to the round of 16. Yeah.
Not to lift it though.
No. It's not yet time.
Okay.
Bado si time yao ya kufika.
Okay.
Another international friendly game that was played yesterday night. Mexico beating Ghana to 2-0. What's happening to Ghana?
I think Mexico is actually a very tough opponent compared to other African squads. So that one I can't complain much on them. Because Ghana actually top 5 best football team in Africa. They have to be. Yeah. So that one is just a slip up from them. I bet they'll come back better next game.
Okay. And very stunning fixtures played on Saturday. We had USA and Germany locking horns. And the game came in favor of Germany, winning 3-1. Did you expect that Germany to win?
Yes, expected Germany to win. I just didn't expect America to get the early goal as they did.
Yeah, from Christian Pulisic actually.
Yeah, but they showed good spirit, and I think Germany wako sawa.
Unafikiria after Germany kufukuza the coach, do you think this is a turnaround for them in the international football?
I actually think they've gotten a better coach, an upgrade to say. Because Julian Nagelsmann, he was the former Bayern coach who won all the cups with them, but still got fired for Thomas Tuchel. So I think in his first game he's already won as well. So I think Germany also can go find the Euros, as they are what's it called? They're the ones who are hosting it. So I think they play well.
Yeah. Okay.
On the last friendly, we had England. England won versus
Australia.
England won versus Australia. Thank you very much for that. From a goal from Ollie Watkins.
Yeah, which was solo goal.
Yeah, which was from a brilliant
assist.
Brilliant pass from Trent Alexander-Arnold. Then Grealish gave him the cross, and Ollie Watkins tapped it in.
Yeah. So, dear viewer, that's all we have for today. Stay tuned for more updates on Friday. We'll be informing you on more and more on our sports chat. This is Weche Tuke. My name is Derek Omondi.
My name is Randy Woodini, and keep it real.
Enjoy your day and have a lovely week. Thank you.
Peace.